Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how I decluttered my son's bedroom in preparation for our house sale. As you can see, it's pretty bad and I'm a bit embarrassed to show you this, but this is real life and this is what happens when you have small closets, not that many closets, and not really good organization systems in place. So every corner of his room, as you can see, needs attention, and his room is small, so it just would not cut it for a house sale. It just would not look good to a buyer. So we had to get this cleaned up before we put our house on sale. So I enlisted my son's help and we got to work. So when I'm working with big areas to tidy in a room, such as a whole room, I like to break that room up into zones and then further break that up within the zone into its own sub-zones. So as you can see here, my son is tidying up his Lego, which is on his writing desk. So right now the zone is his writing desk, but we are focusing on his Lego. Then we move on to maybe papers and then books and then his writing utensils and so on. You can make these zones as small as you need it to be or as big as you want. However, I really suggest keeping it small, especially when you're working with kids. Having a small area makes it doable for them and not so daunting. A tip I really like to recommend is take pictures of their artwork, only keep the ones they feel are their best work and discard the rest. Just recycle them. You're going to feel better afterwards.